Oh hey guys, my video has been on. Bro, my service is on now. I'm going to one of the houses. You know what I mean? Not exactly what that's okay. Okay. I think I'm here. I think I'm here, bro. Let me look around. I'm in the middle of nowhere. You go see a town. I think I can see you somewhere. Okay, see you, Sam. Sam. I'm pale. Where am I? Hey, are those things coming for me? Yep, it's coming for nothing. He's coming for me. Help me. Damn. Damn. Why? I'm going in Sam. Sam! 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 Help me, that means the shadow was following. I don't know how to fight. I don't know what to do. This is my first time playing Minecraft. No, it isn't. It isn't? No. Wait, yesterday. The day before. The day after that. How would you move anymore? Because I'm being a ninja and staying quiet. But you're not very quiet. Would you shut up? I've no problem banning your person for years. Take on. Also, I'm bored. So here we go. Anything attack you? Did get you? No, it's too quick. Where's the town? Oh, I see you. You're easy to see. I'm surprised nobody dynamite shoot. Never mind. What were you about to say? Nothing. I was about to say somebody blew you up, but nothing happened to you. You better not put a piece of dynamite inside the thing, cause that will hurt you, Sam. Whatever, little bro. Whatever. Wrong house. Which house are you in? The one in front of you. I was looking at another house. Get out, me. So, what are you doing? Coming to the house. I'm going in. Where am I? What'd you say? Nothing. Oh, because when you said, or am I? I almost did. I better not hear any hissing inside there. Because you're putting that damn creeper in there, I'm gonna hit you in the face. Dude, calm down. Alright, man. I'm trusting you. Dude, do I hear... Are you breaking stuff? Yeah. Can I see? No. It's personal. Not very personal, though. Dude, you are not a very good whisperer. What do you mean by personal? Dude, nothing. Alright? I'm breaking things. Why do I hear hissing? Call me. Bro, stop. I'm glitched. I died. Oh, you really did? I just killed my little brother in Minecraft land. Dang. Can I see what you blew up? I think I blew up a house in the process. Do you see half of the house, Spencer? No, I see you there, but no. Dang! You accomplished... How many did you put in there? I don't remember. But I remember blowing half of the house up. Dude, that was supposed to be my hiding spot. So the zombies won't eat me, and now they're gonna be able to eat me because I can't get over there. Give me a dog egg or something. Whatever you call those spawn things. Why do you face the other way? Oh, a gelatin. I'm getting inside before I get killed. Thanks to you at the food house. And I just picked up dirt. Going this way. A few villagers. Ooh, this house looks nice. I'm gonna barricade it with something. Dude, what's wrong with this house? Mother fudger! What? Dude, you did not just blow up a house. You blew half a house up. I can barely sit in it. A shark. You broke it in pieces. All I see is dirt and rocks. And is that water? I see. Yeah, you see water, so you better not come in the house and blow me up. I don't really hit you in the head. I'm gonna blow your damn ass up, okay? Man. You better not come in this house either. I didn't even come in yet. I know we're even close to the house. If I hear you digging things. Cool, you're dead, man. What do you mean by that? Mother TNT, I'm gonna kick you in the face. Get me out of here. Sam, get me out. Sam, where am I? Sam, you can blow the house up. I'm not getting in here. Ooh, TNT, I'm gonna rip this apart and take it. And then get my own stuff, and then make it explode and stuff. Lay it on fire. Then open fire, and then blow the freaking smoke. Look at you. You can see? Dude, I lost all my life thanks to you. Dude, find me a house, please. Or build me a stand. Sure, just get your butt over here so I can help you. And then build a stand so I can break it and blow your brains out. No, sorry bro, I can't do that. Let's respawn. You better make it back to the houses. So annoying. What are you trying to accomplish? These people are going inside the house and you're just sitting out here. They can't eat me anyway. They don't even notice me practically. You're trying to hit me in the head? I can't punch you. Whatever. I'm fighting you guys to live. What is that sound it's making? Why can you guys put something next to me if you missed it? Oh, sure. Just tell me where you are. I'm down in the part you blew me up in the first time. Oh, you're in there? What are you in there for? No, I'm about to quit in a second because I want to go to sleep. So, Sam? What? Don't kill yourself, okay? I can't die, I already told you. My chin hurts. It's okay. You want something to keep you safe? Right? some dirt. And please. 3 pieces of dirt. 3 pieces of dirt. And then you have a barrier. Isn't that sort of like burying me inside a rock? 50. 50. Sort of. You blow me up again, I'm freaking quitting. This is not good. That's a big disappointment. You still here? No, I'm a ghost. You look over. The other way. Wait. Oh shit. Get on, my friend. My friend, don't touch that. Don't touch that. Get out of there. Get out of there. My friend, no! Don't kill him, man. Don't kill him. You're stuffing in a box. That's what it's all about. Boom, baby. Poor zombie. Little bits and death. It's upon him. Superman! I'm getting some chili dogs. Later, bro. Yeah, later. I'm out. Well, my brother left. And well, we're doing the video tomorrow. So, guys, I hope you like this YouTube video.